Most people don't even know I have them done. Ever. Yeah, even with the bathing suit, nobody even notices. I'm like, but they're fake, I promise. They're like, I would have never known. I'm like, no, but they are. Shirts probably I have to wear a medium large now instead of a small, but it's a good problem to have. A D. Probably. Yeah, this one's a D. It was very easy, very minimal downtime. Had my surgery on a Friday, went back to work on Monday, Tuesday. Everything came in for post-op visits, was great. Not much soreness, not much downtime. He asks, what is your concern? What would you like to see? What would you improve on? And then he'll address what he sees along with my concerns. So he's very patient, very understanding. He's done this for many, many, many years, so he knows the ins and outs of things and how to fix things and how to, he's just done it for so long. I'd go to somebody, I trust him because I know he's done it for so long. So that's why I decided to come back for a second procedure.